By the end of this video, you'll know how to play Bar Bar Black Sheep. I'll share with you 3 common mistakes people make in their guitar learning. Hey guys, it's David Aldridge, author of Guitar Star in 30 Days and founder of David Aldridge Guitar Schools, where I help you find your strengths and build confidence through the medium of guitar learning. Have you ever struggled with any of these? Getting notes to sound clear? Playing a song from start to finish? Having the confidence to play in front of others? Me too. Later in this video, I'll be sharing the answers to some of the most common mistakes people make. Okay, we're here. Let's do this. So we're going to learn Bar Bar Black Sheep in 3 easy steps. So step 1, we're going to learn the notes. Step 2, we're going to piece the notes together. And step 3, you're going to play along with me. All the notes of Bar Bar Black Sheep are on string 1. This is the one closest to the floor. Today, I'm going to be using my thumb, but you can also use a guitar pick. Okay, so let's make a start. Here we go. We're going to play the first string open, so that means we're not pushing down. We're going to play that twice. Then we're going to come all the way down to fret 7, and I'm using my second finger, so I'm just going to push down towards the string. I'm going to pluck that twice, and then I'm going to move to fret 9. And I'm going to pluck that 4 times. Then I'm going to go back to fret 7. I'm plucking that once, and then fret 5 twice, fret 4, fret 2, then back to open. And we're going to repeat that again. So we've got open string twice, fret 7, fret 9, back to fret 7, fret 5, fret 4, fret 2, and then open. Alright, if you need to pause this video at any point, please do. We're going to keep going. If you are enjoying this video, hit subscribe and be notified every time I post new weekly videos about learning how to play the guitar, find your strengths and build confidence. So fret 7, we're going to play 3 times. Then fret 5 twice, then fret 4, we're going to play 4 times. 2, and then fret 2, we're going to play once, and then we're going to take that now for another spin. Brilliant, you're doing incredibly well. Now what we're going to do is play the first part again. Fret 7, fret 9, fret 7, fret 5, fret 4, okay, well done. I bet you're incredibly good at this. Again, if you need to pause the video, please do. But that's step one. One of the common mistakes beginners make is not getting the notes to sound clean. So there's a way we can do this. We want to tuck up behind the frets, and it's easy to push down there. And also, we're going to be using the fingertip. So we don't want to use the flat part of the finger like this. We want to use the bony part of the finger. Sorry. That's going to help you to get more stop on the string. And also you want to keep pushing the string down. So we don't want to push down and release, we want to keep pushing down whilst we're plucking the strings. Okay, and that will solve the problem. Alright, come and join me in step 2, where we're going to work at connecting the notes at a slower speed. So join me there. What I've got for you today is called Guitar Star in 30 Days. It's a book and course that teaches you how to play the guitar, build confidence, and how do you do that? That's what I have, and it's called Guitar Star in 30 Days. It's a book that will teach you exactly the same methods I use to teach my students. So whether you are a beginner, played before, or a parent helping and supporting a child, this is going to teach you how to get your guitar playing going. How do you do that? How do you get off to the best start? That's what Guitar Star is all about. So what we're going to do now is start to piece it together at a slower speed. So here we go. So just join along with me. Okay, well done. So pause the video, practice that if you need to. And once you feel that notes are connecting and you have that down, then come and join me in step 3. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned I was going to share with you the 3 most common mistakes and problems beginner guitarists usually make. So step 1 is not keeping the guitar in tune or tuning the guitar before they practice. No matter how well you play, if your guitar's not in tune, it's never going to sound great. Now, if you don't know how to tune, please look in the description of this video and there's a link where I get you to tune your guitar using a really friendly app. Okay, so number 2 is not practicing enough and regular, or not practicing regular enough. So try and be consistent with your practice, because consistency builds confidence, and consistency always wins. We grow in confidence. Anywhere where we're consistent in any area of our life, we grow in confidence. So keep the practice consistent. Okay, and number 3, I would say, is not having enough structure in your learning. So that could look like flipping from video to video on YouTube, and just doing bits and never feel like you're getting anywhere. So having a structured method, course and goals that you want to achieve on your guitar. I hope you're enjoying the video. Stay in the game, keep engaged, go back and watch the video if you need to. You don't have to figure everything out now. We are still marching along. Okay, so step 3, we're going to play along at full speed. So I hope you completed step 1, where you learnt the notes and you got comfortable with those. Step 2, you could connect them rhythmically. And now step 3, you're going to play along at full speed. So if you need to go back to any of those steps, then please do. But we're going to march ahead and play. So here we go. So just play along with me. One more time, here we go. Hey, I care about your progress. Progress leads to happiness. I want you to be incredibly good at guitar. When you finish this video today, here's the first thing I want you to do. Go practice Bar Bar Black Sheep for at least 5 minutes a day. Keep re-watching the video if you need to. It's been an honor teaching you today. Until next time, go and practice. Remember, your greatest strength is your commitment to practicing and learning. As always, believe in yourself as much as I believe in you.